These are two types of jobs that do not need much experience. For those who have been asking Arnest on what are some of these two jobs that we can do. I can do anything, I can do something. Okay, now these are two careers, two jobs, two opportunities, two types of responsibilities on the ship that will need your little experience, okay? If you have never been on a cruise ship, and you can do it, okay? I want to explain this. So grab your pen and paper, let's do this. Thank you for those who have been subscribing, those who have just joined it. It's your first time you're watching Arnest Digits. I'm glad because you are on the right channel, okay? I've been very busy, I didn't post any videos, but today I just want to talk about two jobs, okay? Because when I go down on the comments, most people don't know what to apply for. Especially those people who don't have much experience in the hospitality industry, those without much experience in working in the galley, working in the hotel and cafes and restaurants and everything. But I can assist you with this one. So grab a pen and a paper, okay, like mine. You see, I have one here, the notebook and a pen. So what we want you to do is that we are going to see the things that are needed in these two jobs. And these, remember, are some of the things I'm going to mention. They are some of the keywords that you can put on your CV if you want to upload these two types of jobs, and you'll be okay, you'll get something at the same time, okay? That at the same time, keep following. I have a lot of content for you guys. I have a lot of information for you guys all this time. And I'm very happy because one of these fine days I was just walking around on my cruise ship like this, happy here, and then all of a sudden I bumped on someone, and he said, basically he called my name, and in one of the corridors and our walkways I found him already on our ship and he is employed. He said, you really helped me. I'll have his video and I'll come with him here so that he gives testimony. He has been a silent follower and taking up all my tips, and I can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some of them on this YouTube channel that they have successfully done their interviews, and some of them they have joined. Some of them I have just helped them myself by giving them where to do. Always I post legit and true jobs. Thank God because you are getting this information. Before I came here, I didn't have anyone. I've searched online, I didn't get the information or where to do the applications. And I was in the same situation like you are. I didn't know where to put, where to go, what to do, how can you get these jobs on a cruise ship. But thank God I managed and I found one. So I said, this one, it can be an eye-opener to you. So I'm giving you free information from right away from the horse's mouth, from someone on the G. So I'm going to explain these two jobs that are going to help you if you don't have any prior experience or you don't have any other experience, but you're looking for something to do. People who are asking me something to do, atakazi, like jobs for cleaning. Okay, now these are the two ones. I'm going to mention others in the next video, but today let's focus on only two, okay? We are now going to 1,200 subscribers. Thank you guys. Now what I want you to do, to support me, I just want you to do this. One is to like the video. Two, comment down there below where are you watching me from. Three, we shall have a very, very beautiful video of another website where you can apply cruise ship jobs which are open vacancies. And let me tell you, it's just easy. What you do, you only like my video, watch my video to the end, listen carefully, pay attention, have a notebook and a pen, and let's do these things, okay? Now, today, I have two jobs, okay? Oh, not yet. Have you subscribed? Not yet? So, make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because every time I post, make sure you comment, make sure you follow my videos because you never know. It's about you. I always say, when you see something, you say something. So today, let's talk about these two jobs. One is called janitor. You can Google yourself and see who is a janitor. So a janitor is someone who is a cleaner. They are really correlated together with the galley steward, like a steward, but now this one is a janitor. So let me talk about janitors, because this is a very, very important job opportunity for those ones who want to work on a cruise ship, because it doesn't need much experience, but I'm going to explain why do you need to apply for a janitor if you want to work on a cruise ship, and you can get some good money. I'm going also to explain to you some of the amount between the salaries of the janitor and so on. But let's talk about the janitors. Janitors are cleaners, and they are all both male and female. They are employed on the ship and supervised doing cleaning. So what type of cleaning do they do? One, what I know, I've met janitors, they are all my friends. So what they do is they clean all public and work areas, okay? Cleaning, making sure that there's no dust, there is no throwing of papers, although the ship is ever clean, yes, but they make sure they furnish all those areas, okay? Like walkways, okay? Gangway, we call it a gangway, cleaning the gangways, cleaning, for example, sweeping. And then they also do what we call wiping glasses, for example, wiping windows if they have. They're also part of the team that making sure that our areas where we stay inside here, the corridors, they are clean, okay? The windows, the handles of the, also they sanitize the handles, like during Corona time, okay? They usually use lots of equipments when doing these jobs. They also clean elevators. Love them. Some of them you call them lifts, elevators. They clean them because they sanitize them. They wipe all working at where people, things that people touch, for example, on stairs. They make sure they sweep, they clean, because our feet always carries, okay? They also wash using carpets, okay? They also help in cleaning wheelchairs and making sure they are packed in the right correct manner. They also help in arrangements of equipments sometimes, and also making sure that they supply soap, washing soap in areas of where they wash hands, and sinks and paper towels, and even these toilet papers, and making sure some toilets are clean. They're also part of the team that cleans officers' rooms at the same time. Sometimes they also clean, if you want them to clean your room, they can also do that, but they are part of the team that cleaning and making sure that the cleanings is good. On the ship, what I've seen also they do is they help together with the ship's security when passengers are going out or coming in terms of giving them water, supplying them with wheelchairs. We have even those ones who supply scooters. You know, there are those self-driven scooters that most people, like for example, those passengers who are old, those who are sick, those who have injuries on their hands, their legs, or they can't walk. So they help them to supply them scooters so they can just drive them around the ship. One of also janitors, what they do is they deal with different equipments, okay? Now I have tried to put together some of the equipments they use. One is a drill brush. This is a drill brush, they use it. They also do carpet cleaning machines, okay? They use vacuum cleaners. They also use small towels, wiping. They also use chemicals. So if you are someone who doesn't do well with chemicals, cleaning chemicals, shining chemicals, for example, those ones, they clean surfaces with aluminium surfaces, wooden surfaces. They use water, they use a lot of soap, they use also gloves and some of the protective measures, for example, face mask, so that they cannot, the chemicals, they cannot, they use water, dustpan, brooms, these flap tops which they can clean on the top of areas they cannot. They use also ladders to climb up high end, but not too much. And also they use plastic bags, they use dust bins, making sure dust bins are collected, all the dust, and trash is given to them. They also clean those trash bins and so much more. And there are even more duties and tools they use than the ones I just mentioned. But these are some of the jobs that you can do because it's just a cleaner job Okay, guys, why can't you apply as a janitor? So while you're making your CV, these are some of the things I've mentioned, and I think you have written them down so that they can make a CV and put them on a CV. Okay, while putting them on a CV, ensure that you understand and you know now who is a janitor and what are the duties of a janitor. Okay, there are other duties you can Google. Thank you, because you listen to Arnest. Now, number two, almost close to the janitors, but these ones are now located in the kitchen. These are called galley steward or galley utility. Okay, galley steward or galley utilities. Now, galley utilities, galley is the kitchen. These ones, their main work is to clean utensils, okay, in the kitchen. Now, they are divided into two groups. There are those ones who deal with dishwash, and there are those ones who deal with pot wash. So dishwash, they deal with plates, cups, and they deal with cutleries, they deal with glasses, okay, and they also deal with a few chef's utensils, the chefs what they use. And then there is also another part which the galley also do is pot wash. Pot is those ones who deal with big sofrias, big dish pot wash, big saucepans and pans, and some of the equipments or baking sheets and storage material, storage bucket storage for the chefs, which are hard to scrub. And they use also chemicals, they use also hard brush to wash, they also use they cover them with their faces, face mask. They also use chemicals, hard chemicals. So if you are part of the person that you want to apply this job of the galley steward and utility steward or utility galley utility, then make sure you understand it, because it's a lot of work, and mostly I see only men. I haven't met any galley utility a lady, because they deal with high temperatures, hot water and cold water. Okay, sometimes maybe they steam or anything. They also clean. There are those ones who do cleaning the kitchen. Okay, had brushing the kitchen, washing the cleaning the surfaces, cleaning all the dirt, hard ones. So they also make sure that the grills, okay, the flat top stoves are also clean. And then they supply gloves in the kitchen, they supply wiping towels, they make sure that the soap in the areas they wash hands is supplied, taking away all the trash, and making sure they also do what we call maintaining food waste and dustbins correctly, naming them. For example, you need to understand, if you are a galley utility, there is what we call food waste management. So you need to understand that plastic and paper, combustible paper, there's a different dustbin. There is also hard food, there's also glass, and then plastic, and then there is also those are the ones, because we have glass, aluminium, dustbin for aluminium, and then we have plastic. We have also another one for food, combustible food, there's digestible food, and then there's hard food. For example, stalks from vegetables, those are hard food. Bones are hard food, and then peelings from some of the fruits, some of them are hard food. So we need to understand how to locate them and how to divide them into this, so that when someone comes to drop anything, he has to put in the correct dustbin. Okay, this is very important, because it enables the guys who work with the incinerator or the one who do waste management to deal with these things separately, and making sure that the environment on the ship is very secure until to the end of the cruise, and then they dispose it where possible and where necessary. Also, these people, they maintain cleaning in the kitchen, making sure that all the drainages are clean and the proper sanitation is done in the areas where they do their cleaning. They work in hand with buffet steward, but this one's buffet steward and assistant waiter and assistant barista assistant, bar assistant. I'll speak about them and what they are supposed to do. So if you are a galley steward, you know that you're going to do dishwash or pot wash, and these are some of these jobs are very demanding. Now, a janitor earns between $1,300 to $1,500. As a dishwash, it depends with the company, depends with the contract, depends with where country or which country are you working in. So but in terms of dollars, they range between there. Also, galley steward, it is the same, between $1,000 US dollars to $1,500 US dollars. So plan yourself well. If you feel this is something you can do and you can apply, I have literally tried to mention some of the responsibilities of these two categories of jobs that anyone can do, that somebody who doesn't have any large experience and you really need one to work on a cruise ship, these are some of the things that you can do. And last thing, the janitors also help security men in pushing luggages in and outside the ship, providing passengers with umbrellas, providing them with wet towels, providing them with sanitization, wet towel sanitizing, and maybe providing them with the necessary things they need when they come on the ship after excursions, and so much more. Guys, if this is what is meant for you, please make sure subscribe, like this video, and let's go for these jobs. Apply. I have one thing to do for you. If you feel you have this, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification, share this video to your friends and family. And one last thing, I have a few websites to show you some of the vacancies available. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Let me show you the websites. Okay, thank you. Now this is another website that I want you to apply these jobs, and because you have been looking for the website that can help you to locate the jobs, now I want you to key in ziprecruiter.com. So you'll create a profile. Right there what you can do, right there everything that is needed. Okay, and these are the jobs that are available right now. You see commercial kitchen cleaner position, and it's in Canada. Okay, commercial kitchen cleaner. LMIA, always look for jobs that have written LMIA available. Okay, this one's going to help you. We have also general laborer, full-time and part-time needed in York region. Kitchen helper, we have been talking about galley utility. Now this is kitchen helper, 𝗓𝗫𝗪𝗧 Employment Solutions, and the job was posted here by 𝗓𝗫𝗪𝗧. You can tap here to apply. General laborer, again night shift from 11 p.m. to 7 p.m. There's another one here, forklift instructor, and so much more. So go to ZipRecruiter. And make sure you apply for these jobs. Okay, there's someone here, general house worker, spring maker, another one, meat packer, then laborer, general laborer, sanitation worker. So you can try these ones and apply for them. Go to ZipRecruiter and see you then. My name is Arnest. Thank you.